I just dropped my earbud in the water. It's messed up. I'm thinking about going down there and getting it. I know I can. I'm on the slip. How deep is that water? How hard is this ice? I'm gonna get back out. Oh shit. I'm gonna leave that earbud down in there. Leave that earbud. Where's that? Oh. That earbud is gone. We ain't gonna see that in a while. For a while. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it from right here? See a little white spot? So I don't drop my earbud. I think I can walk across that bridge if I wanted to. Yeah, so you almost seen me fall in the water. You know what? If I had some worms, I would probably fish. But since I don't have any worms, that's gonna be the end of that. I'll drop my earbud. But like I was saying though, Michigan is different in the wintertime. Michigan is different in the wintertime. But since we can't do no fishing right away, we're gonna keep walking the trail and see what they got down here for us. I could have came up through there, but it is what it is. It's a beautiful day. Any day that I'm above ground and I'm alive, it's a beautiful day. It's getting solider down here. The water gets solid all the way down up in here. But yeah, I guess guys, if you want to hear more about me, just let me know, and I can tell you more about me. And more. It's more to come. I can tell you a little bit about my background. I told you I was one of 12, and I'm number 5 at the age of 58. Look at this. Look at this tree. Look at this tree, man. Look at that tree. I'm one of 12. I'm number 5. There's 5 fathers within that 12. So one day I'm gonna write a book about my life and my story. I grew up knowing all my brothers and sisters. We wasn't all in the same home. This is back when the Family Dependence Agency was called the ADC, Aid for Dependent Children. That's a nice little drop. Aid for Dependent Children. And the way they did things back then, in order for, you can only have so many children where you can collect from the state for. And back then in the 60s, my mother, in order for us to get the kind of attention that we need, gave us to her sisters. I just happened to be given to my grandmother like a month out of the womb. Wow, this is awesome. Big boy fell. Look at that tree. Big boy fell. Oh, that wind had to be serious, or the soil was weak. So we were scattered through the family. And like I said, I was like a month out. She didn't even keep me for a month before my grandmother took over. I think I'm the only one with their father's last name. I think I am. And that's odd because there were 4 or 5 that came before, well, 4 that came before me. My oldest brother is my stepbrother, who's my father's son. My second oldest brother, he was named after his father. Look at these beautiful trees. God is so good. They split the trail off. See how they split the trail off? They split the trail in 2 places. Gotta make sure. When it's summertime, you gotta watch out for spider webs and stuff of that nature. This is a runoff right here. But my oldest brother was named after his father, but he has my mother's maiden name. So he's named after his father, but not like me. I'm a junior. And I made my son the third. Cut his son through here. This is the runoff. And yeah, I think I'm the only one that was named exactly after my father. I don't see any deer in here. I probably pushed them already anyway. Man, you gotta see this. Look at this. This is the perfect hunting spot. Perfect spot to hunt. So you remember that story I told you about how I felt about my stepson, my oldest son. The brother that's over me, him, my oldest brother, my sister, and one of my younger sisters, all of them had the same father. Myself and the brother that's under me, we have the same father. I'm making so much noise. No wildlife is around. It's so quiet. Look at this. So quiet. Even though you can hear the cars in the background, it's still so quiet. So the brother that's under me and him have the same father. Now it's 3 up under him that has the same father, all the way to the youngest up under him. All of those, it's more than 3, 5 5 of them have the same father. Just to explain this is something something special, and that's why I think it's deserving of me writing a book. And one day I will. I already started on one book, but it's a science fiction mystery book, and I'm not finished with that. I just finished the first chapter. This is so beautiful. You see the road up here with the cars driving past us. See the road up here. You hear that? We got a viaduct, not a viaduct, an aqueduct up here, built up here, and it's fed by the foot of the Boulevard River. Can't remember what river it's connected to right now, but it's connected to the river. Why is that cracked like that? That water must have picked up. See how that's cracked? Looks like something coming up out of here. See how it's cracked? Can you see that? It's getting a little solid down here because the flow is going around the ice. But yeah, you can stand on the middle of that and fish back this way towards the bank, because it's a sand barge. Yeah. Okay. Let's wait it out there. Find out. Nice little drop off. This tree hanging on. I'm gonna take you to another part of the park. One of the reasons why I came down here is because, first of all, I love God's design. Nobody does it like him. His artwork is impeccable. And you can see that when you look in the mirror, how great his work is. Second of all, we got this situation that's happening here where this young man abducted and murdered, allegedly M-word, a young lady. And I'm looking for her. If they can't find the young lady, and I'm looking. I don't want to find her, but then again, I do want to find her. So her family can have closure. No, I don't know if I'm close to it yet, but I think she's down on the other end of the park. I just had this vision that she was at the other end of the park, because I think he was somewhere in one of these areas. When they last seen them together. They got him in custody. Wow, look at this dead tree leaning on us. Like I said, I hope that she's found and put to rest in a proper way. But I would hate to be the one, because it would hurt my heart. Seeing evidence and stuff. This stuff is old. Be back to the split pathway tree. So we're close to being home. Not home, back to the car. Look at this right here. That's deer. Deer scrape. Antler scrape. Scrapings by antlers. Hopefully you're not a bear. If it's not a bear, I'm in trouble because I can't run. Body's starting to heat up a little bit. I can lose a couple of pounds. I'm not at the bridge yet. But I want to take you guys on the other side of the park. That's what I'm planning on, using the metal detector. Hopefully I can get some good content for you. And like I said, broken branch, deer. Like, comment, subscribe. Big tree field. Look how big that tree is. Came right out the roots. In 2 parts. Like, comment, subscribe. The channel is very new. I think I have 1 subscriber, and I appreciate her so much. You get a smile from me. I would like to have more. Look at that drop off. Look at that drop off. I'm hearing something. Probably just a squirrel. Yeah, but if you guys want to know anything else about me, look at the beautiful colors. Or have any questions for me, like, comment, and subscribe to Brother of Man. Brother of Man. Somebody got a tent out here. Is that a tent I see? Tell me if you see a tent. Somebody camping out here. Right there. I think it's against the law to camp on City Park. It's not even that cold out here anymore. I guess my body's warmed up to the spot. Yeah, that's a tent. Somebody gonna set up a tent in here. And I think it's against the law. You can't. I don't see the property. Yeah, that's a tent. I see the jacket hanging up. And probably some homeless people. And that's sad in itself. But I think you should be able to live wherever you want to live at. As long as you don't bother nobody. Yeah, that's a tent for sure. That's a tent for sure. I cannot. I think there's a person over there too standing by that tree. There's a person standing over there by that tree. That's kind of weird. Wow, look at this. One fall down there, your ass is crazy. I think there's more than one tent over there. There's probably some people that need help. You need help, you need help. I ain't got no problem with it. But don't be all creepy watching me while I'm watching you. When you ain't supposed to be there. long as you don't mess with me, I'm not gonna mess with you. What you do, it's your business. Back to the bridge. Say bye-bye to the ear pod. You see it? It's right there on the edge of that ice. Say bye-bye to the ear pod. I should walk across that bridge and walk, but you don't walk up on nobody's campsite. You can get hurt right there. Okay, my battery's going low. I gotta get back to the car. If we can make it all the way back to the car, we good. Yeah, I don't think my life is no more interesting than nobody else. But I'm grateful to make it to the age of 58. I had a hard life. I'll tell you some of it as we go on this journey together. And this journey of getting to learn each other. This journey of truth. My journey of honesty. My journey of understanding. I still got a lot to learn. You ain't never got enough. You never learned enough. Because every day you wake up is something else to learn. And the truth is subject to revision. That's everybody's truth is subject to revision. I'm just grateful to be living in these times because I can tell you, I remember when it was no such thing as no internet and no cell phones. I can take you back to the rotary phones. I can take you back to the LPs. I can take you back to a cursive writing. I don't see that very much. Only in signatures. And even then the kids don't know. All this abbreviations and abbreviating writing. Yeah, it's different. Times it's different. Way different than it used to be. I think I'm gonna have to go home. I'm gonna upload this and then I'm gonna come back to the park, to the other part of the park, and show you guys some more. I'm truly grateful. Grateful to learn, grateful to change. My brother asked me a question that was really funny. The one that's under me, I was telling you got the same father. He said, do you think we are smarter than man? Man is smarter. Human is smarter than we've ever been. And my answer to that question is yes and no. No, because we can hardly replicate the things we have from the past. And yes, because of the computer age. But just because of the computer age don't make men smarter than they ever been. So, that's my alarm on my car. Probably scared all the deers away. So, I'll hook back up with you guys later. We're not finished with today. We're not. I'm just going to charge up my phone. Talk to you soon.